Hi guys, today's dinner I will cook the deep fried fish fillet. In Portuguese is panados. Then the ingredients for the panados is fish fillet, egg, 1 egg is enough, and flour and breadcrumbs. So dip in that, and then cooking oil, then cook with the oil, then it's already done. That one you saw already the video. And the part now is rice with the beans. The ingredients for the rice is 1 cup rice, and then 2 cups hot water, and the beans, and that's all. Hello guys, good evening. Here in Portugal, in Europe is gabi. Tapos in Pilipinas, umaga na ngayon. Good morning Philippines. Ngayon, ang lulutuin ko is deep fried fillet, fish fillet. In Portuguese is panados. And request to sa mga amo ko at sa alaga ko. Ito ang fish fillet. Ito flour, ito breadcrumbs, ito egg. Tapos mamaya guys, magluto din ako ng ito rice. Ihalo to sa rice, and the rice, and now I fry the fish. I dip first with this. I dip first this to the flour. Dip to the flour. Then, dip to the egg. Dip siya sa itlog. Ito ang specialty ulam sa mga Portuguese guys. Pwesto sa alaga ko. Yung alaga ko napaka-supportive sa akin. Gusto niya talaga niya na may YouTube ako. Ito fish fillet. Dip with flour. Then after flour, dip with the egg. After the egg, mamaya, after sa egg, i-dip na naman siya sa breadcrumbs. Now, I dip the breadcrumbs. Ito talaga ang gusto ng mga Portuguese guys. Panados, we call panados, deep fried fish fillet. Then, mainit na ang mantika guys. Ito, the hot oil, fry here. Mahinang apoy guys, mahinang apoy kasi masunog siya. Now I fry. Mainit kasi ang mantika. Grabe ang init, kaya ang bilis niya na nag-brown. Pero, i-fry ko to ng 2 times guys. Para gaya sa Kentucky, sa KFC, ganun sila mag-fry ng manok. Fry with it. And then, brown ito guys. Iano ko na naman ito mamaya i-fry ko na naman para mainit siya. Ready to serve. So na siya guys. Pero i-fry ko pa yan pang second time. Ngayon, mag-fry ako ng rice. Partner dito. Rice. Bago ko yan yung rice guys, I will fry first the what we call this? Green peas? Bagyo bean? I don't know. I forgot the beans. I'll fry first with the garlic. Then fry the beans. Then pang ano lang siya guys, parang oily siya. Tapos tanggalin ko siya. I will take out this to put later when the rice is ready. Then this, and then I will remove the I don't need the garlic later. I will remove the garlic later. And then this, I put the hot water. If 1 cup rice, 2 cups of hot water. Ano, Portuguese style to guys, pagluto ng kanin. Ganito magluto ng kanin. Tapos, hugasan ko muna to 1 cup rice. Hugasan ko nito. I will wash first this. Before putting to the boiling water, need to wash first the rice because sometimes dirty. So now, I will put here in the boiling water 1 cup rice, 2 cups of hot water. Oh my God, sorry. Then must stir first so that the rice will not ano ba, what do you call this? And then, yung mga Portuguese, they like the rice buhaghag. Yung ayaw nila yung kagaya ng sa atin, ng kanin. Tapos, lagyan siya ng asin, salt, then now, remove the garlic. Pang ano lang, pampalasa lang with the garlic so that taste, garlic taste. Now, hintayin ko siya pag wala nang yung absorb the water already, the water absorbed. Saka pa ilagay itong beans. Ito, when the water absorbed already, little bit water, then put the beans and then wait a little bit, and then when dry already, then cover. Then now, I fry again the fish. Lagay ko dito for serving. So, i-fry ko na naman ito para now it's brown already. It's already dark brown. Can serve already and ready to serve and ready to eat. order. So guys, it's done. Pero may lulutuin pa ako yung iba kasi ano lang to, sample to. This is the deep fried fish fillet. In Portuguese is panados. Now, this is our dinner for tonight. Now, kasi ano pa niluto pa yung rice. So, hintayin na. So, I think this is all for tonight's video. Our dinner. Hello guys!